Hey guys, I just thought I'd do a quick video here. See there, it's minus 37 degrees Celsius without the wind chill. There's not much wind, so it's probably only like minus 44 with the wind. It's 1:38 in the morning. So I was just gonna do I was just in the work truck there. I'm just gonna do a cold start of the 06 Sierra. Been sitting for quite a while, not being plugged in, being this cold out. Seats going. Get the heater going. LED tail lights, dual exhaust. And the projector halos that you can't see. I'll get a better video of everything when it's not so bloody cold out. Alright guys, thanks for watching.